was particularly keen to come to the event tonight on how to save tax.
Linda took us through lots of different points of how we might save tax in certain areas, so it was extremely useful.
Tonight is all about taking the time out to evaluate our businesses to make sure that we're in the most tax efficient position.
It's informal, it's relaxed. It's also a nice networking opportunity.
There are quite a few people here that aren't clients of Linda's that come along because the information's so interesting.
Quite often we see that businesses are not claiming all of the deductible expenses that they can be, and it's costing them tax. We can make this as complicated or as difficult as we want to. Everybody that knows me knows that we do make it simple.
All the content was very interesting, particularly for me, the R&D tax credits.
If I spend £100,000 on R&D, I will get tax relief in a profitable business to the tune of 45k.
She certainly knows her subject matter, but she's also very good at putting it over in a very sort of user-friendly way.
She sort of puts it into words that you can understand. It's not all just accounting jargon, you know, it's actually easy to understand and listen to.
I found it quite useful because it adds to what's in her book as well. She's written a book about starting a business, and I read that last year, and so it was very useful for me to come back. It's a good refresher.
We can see by actually changing the sole trader into a partnership rather than paying the spouse a salary, then in total the couple would be £3,183 better off.
The key thing with Linda is you can understand everything that she talks about, and she makes it very personal.
You know that it's coming from the heart as well. You can tell that, you know, Linda's passionate about what she does, and that comes out in the way she presents.
Linda always looks at the bigger picture. She's not just an accountant, she can also advise you on other aspects of your business.
My business is more profitable as a result of coming to see Linda.
The payback I got in the last 3 hours, if I could get that same payback on all my time, I think I could retire in 6 months' time.